Hey everybody, welcome to yet another edition of the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Yay. It's Communicator Day. Communicator. Oh, it's my emotional day because I have the communicator in emotions and Dharma, but emotions. So I fully expect it to be an emotional day. It already is, in fact. But I will deal with it in the communicator way, by not trying to get too involved with the story, by dropping the story and just feeling the emotion. That's what the communicator does. Whether it's in the spiritual or in emotions or, somewhere else. Drop the story and just feel deeply the actual feeling without all the, this happened because of this, and this person made me feel like this, and this is what I'm going to do about it later. No. Just witness the feeling. Again, like you're the actor in the play, right? Helps to burn some cedar incense today and listen to the music of the great Ornette Coleman. Ornette. Or put on some Tom Waits. That's good for a Wednesday. The communicator is about being humorous with words, being witty, right? Intellectual humor. It's a lot of what Tom Waits is about. And you can read from this book that I read from a lot on Wednesday. It's called the Ribhu Gita. The Ribhu Gita. Rib who? Rib what? Prime Rib Gita? That's right. It's prime, all right. It's primal. And here's what it has to say while I play the fourths. There is never anything called mind. There's never any remembrance. There never is. There never is. There never is the world. Indeed. There never can be any talk about the world. How then can there be any word about the body? Brahman is all, only consciousness. I indeed am the only one. I indeed am the only one. There's no such thing as thought either. The thought that there is thought is itself non-existent. So there. The talk about the existence of the world is false. It's false. One who says that things exist, the talk that things exist, the attitude that the world is, that there is a protector of the world other than one's own self, the certitude that I am the body. The notion that this man indeed, a polluted person. Oh, that sounds nice. The positive certitude that this person is a great Brahmin, it's all non-existent. Yes. Of the world, or the mind, or the intellect. Be of the immediate conviction that nothing exists. Nothing exists. Be of the conviction that there is nothing to be seen. Nothing to be seen. Nothing. Nothing. Indeed. I, the Supreme Brahman, I, indeed, am the partless. I only am. There is no doubt of this. I indeed am the happiest of the happy. I indeed am the divine self. I am deed too. I indeed the only one. I am immeasurable by words. I am indeed not another. I'm not another. I indeed am the self of all. I am ever loving. I am the self of faith. You try playing and talking at the same time and reading at the same time. It's not easy, folks. I indeed am the self of all. I am ever loving. I am the self of faith. I am without any modes. No modes. No modes for Joe. No modes for G. No more. No more. No more. I indeed am ever the witness. I am indeed myself only. I am not hidden, nor am I unhidden, nor am I the always shining one. Nor am I the always shining one. Think on these things, as Krishnamurti said, another great spiritual communicator. Think on these things.